Hey there, chemistry student. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome game that will help you learn the periodic table while having fun. It is called the Periodic Table Element Finder, and it is super easy to set up and play. Before we dive into gameplay, let's go through a quick setup. You will need to download all four files: index.html, styles.css, elements.js, and game.js. Make sure you save all these files in the same folder on your computer. Once you have all files downloaded to the same folder, simply double-click on the index.html file to open it in your web browser. That's it, no installation needed. The game should load automatically in your default browser. If it doesn't, you can right-click on the index.html file, select Open With, and choose your preferred browser. So, what are we looking at here? This is the Periodic Table Element Finder game. At the top, you can see the game title, your current score, and a timer. The timer starts at 1 minute when you begin a new game. And the main part of the screen shows a colorful periodic table. Notice how the elements are color-coded. Yellow represents metal, green represents non-metals, purple shows metalloids, and blue indicates noble gases. This color coding will help you remember the elements category as you play. Let's see how the game works. To start playing, click the New Game button at the bottom of the screen. Once you do, the timer will start counting down from 60 seconds, and the game will display the name of the element at the top. Your job is to locate and click on the correct element in the periodic table as quickly as possible. For example, if we say vanadium, you need to find and click on the V in the table. If you are right, the element will turn bright green, you will earn a point, and the game will give you a new element to find after a short pause. If you click on the wrong element, it will turn red, but you can keep trying until you find the correct one. The goal is to find as many elements as possible before the timer runs out. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. The game gets challenging because you need to remember where elements are located while racing against the clock. When the timer reaches 0, the game ends and show your final score along with the top 5 high score. These high scores are saved on your computer so you can try to beat your personal best each time you play. If you want to end a game early, just click the End Game button, which is what the New Game button changes to once you are playing. That's all there is to it. The game is a fun way to test how well you will know your periodic table. Challenge yourself to improve your score each time, or compete with your classmate to see who can get the highest score.